you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, then please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and also press the bell icon. So guys, this is the Assamese flexible gorilla pod. So I brought it from Amazon and the price of this gorilla pod is 739. Here it is written that Assamese flexible gorilla pod tripod with 360-degree rotating ball head, and also you can use this for your DSLR cameras as well as for your mobile phones. And for using this in your mobile phones, you will also get a free heavy duty mobile holder. So it is very good because you will get a mobile holder as well as you will also get a ball head, so you can use it for dual purpose, that is for your cameras as well as for your mobile phones. So it is very good for your blogging purpose. And so let us unbox this. So guys, I have opened the box and here you can see this is the gorilla pod, and here is the mobile stand for mobile holder for holding your mobile. Thank you very much for watching this video, and so if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.